Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. So in this video I'll be showing you how you could make easily clickable Google searches inside Google Sheets using a couple of formulae. So let's get started. So assuming you have some text inside this column A or B, let's see how we could make this an easy Google search. So if you're an SEO guy or any other student researching a topic, this could help a lot in terms of, like, you need not type every search query in Google. If you're doing some research, you could just arrange your data in a similar fashion and you could get your work done pretty fast. So the first step that we are going to do is we are going to use the concatenate function. So what this does is it joins two cell data. So if I have data in A, B and C, I can use the concat or the concatenate function to do this. So you could see that it adds two things, but you could use either of this. If you are using only two values, you could just use concat. If you want to use more than two values, you can use this. So just let's use this. So inside this you'll be typing this query https q is equal to. So why we are doing this is, for every query that you perform on Google, the format is going to be in this fashion. So you could see that it has just joined this particular data with nothing. So now we need to append the search query, that is the data here, to this thing. So we'll use the comma function and add this v11. So you could see that this is not being recognized as a link inside Google Sheets. To solve this problem, we need to remove these spaces in between. So we have a function for that, which is called the encode URL. So encode of a given text. So we have to use that encode of the value in B11. So it could B11 encode URL. So you could see that now it has been made into a clickable URL. So now let's click on this. Yeah, you could see that it has clearly taken the search query and it has made the search on Google. So okay, this is fine for Google. How about Bing, right? So if you want to go to use Bing as a search engine, so let's go to bing.com and see how the searches work here. So let's try something. So it's almost the same. bing.com/search is q is equal to Apple. So let's take this and use the same formula here. So we'll use the same formula. So we'll copy this data, Control C, and paste it here. Same data here as well. So instead of Bing, Google, we say bing.com/. So let's see what happens. So you could see that even in Bing this is working. So yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys found this video useful. You could use this in multiple ways and you could even improve this. There is another method where you can also use the substitute function and substitute these spaces with plus, and you could still make these searches possible inside Google Sheets. So hope you found this useful, and try it out and let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. Okay, yeah, thank you guys.